Hello viewers, I'm Sakib. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show how to use Swimlane Diagram or Cross Functional Flowchart Diagram by using Microsoft Visio 2010. If you have Microsoft Visio 2010 or 2013 or the latest version, then you can do it easily. But you need to have Microsoft Visio 2010 or the latest version to follow accordingly. Deleting this one, I'm adding we need 4 swim lanes. You can use separators in different ways. You can drag separators from the stencils, cross-functional flowchart shapes. From here, you can drag separators, or you can click on cross-functional flowchart tab, and then you can bring separators from here. If you are going to select nothing, then if you click on separator, then it is going to divide the whole swim lanes into equal to portions. Okay, if you are going to divide this portion, then you can click on this face, and then you can click on separator again. In this way it is going to divide again. If you are going to use separators here, or you can drag from here, and according to your requirement you can place a separator there. You can see that the faces are divided. That means these are different faces now. You can rename these faces like face 1, face 2, face 3, face 4 in this way. So we need 3 faces. I'm removing this right now. I'm bringing separators. I have placed 2 separators. You can rename them by clicking on the face. You can write initial decorations. Now, how you are going to adjust it right now? If you are going to click on this button, fit page to current window, then you can see it is going to fit. And now you have used swim lanes, you have used separators. Before adding page, write down your titles, write down your faces, and write down the function names. I'm renaming function names right now. So we have our 4 swim lanes, and we have different faces. In this tutorial, I'm going to use 3 different faces. You can see the name of the faces, and you can see the swim lanes. I'm going to use different processes here. If you are going to click on basic flowchart shapes or quick shapes, current shapes are available there. Basic flowchart shapes are going to contain 6 different shapes which are named as process, sub-process, document, data, start and end, and decision. Before adding processes, it is better to use orientation. Right now we are using horizontal orientation. If you don't like it, then you can change the orientation into vertical position. If you are going to in this tutorial, I'm going to use horizontal, so I'm clicking on horizontal again. So you can also change direction by using the direction key. Right now it is from left to right. If you are going to use right to left, then you can click on right to left, and it is going to switch. We are using left to right, so I'm clicking left to right again. You can use different styles. 12 different styles are available. Then you can see it is going to change. In this video tutorial, I'm going to use the basic or the default style. In the beginning, we want to provide a starting point and ending point. That's why we are going to use start and end. By selecting a shape, you can start typing. Now you can add shapes in different ways. Whenever you are going to click on a single shape, then you will see instantly around it some triangles are available. By using this triangle, you can use right now within the stencil. Within this area, you can see start and end is highlighted. That's why you can see the preview. It is going to bring another starting point or ending point because it is highlighted there. If you are going to use process next, so click on process. You can directly use right now. You can preview the process. In this way, you can add quickly different shapes. Okay, so we are going to use process. So I'm just clicking on this triangle, and it is going to add a process. First, I'm going to drag these from one area to another area or across lanes. You can move easily to add another process. You can add quickly there, or you can drag. You can also select from here. You can preview. If you want to use a sub process, you can use this. If you want to use decision, then you can use the diamond shape, or if you can use this rectangle shape for a process, and you can drag according to your requirement. I'm going to use 2 processes here. That's why I'm dragging 2 processes. I'm going to use 2 decision here. Now you can add connectors. You can add connectors in different way. If you want to add connectors from one point to another, then you can use this way. Or if you want to use connectors manually, so click on the home tab and you can connect to one point to another. So I'm clicking on the connector right now. Click on one shape, then drag, and you can glue to shape. You can see right now there is a tooltip, glue to shape. If you are going to use glue to shape, then you can use these, or you can use glue to connection point. Different connection points you can add. So I'm using glue to connection point. It is going to establish a connection. After using a connector, you can add conditions. So whenever we are going to use decision, conditions. It can go for yes or it can go for no. If you want to establish yes, click on a character and you can double click, write a text on it or apply a condition there. So I'm using yes right now. So if you want to move this yes from one portion to another, right now I'm using this. Right now it is not the best place, so we want to move this no. Click on this and then click on this, and then you can drag this to somewhere else. In this way, to place the text according to your requirements, you can place enter or you can just write it down. It will set automatically. If you want to adjust according to your way, then you can press enter and then you can type again. Now you can